Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool that every sewing enthusiast should have in their toolkit. If you're looking for precision, ease of use, and quality, then you've landed in the right place. Because we're featuring the best rotary cutter for sewing, the Fiskars 45mm Quick Change Rotary Cutter. The Fiskars 45mm Quick Change Rotary Cutter is engineered for a seamless cutting experience, making it perfect for fabric, craft supplies, quilting projects, and more. One of the standout features of this rotary cutter is its convenient quick change blade system. Simply press the button, and you can swap out your blades in seconds, no tools required. This feature saves you time and ensures that your cutter is always ready for your next project. The design of the Fiskars rotary cutter is not just about functionality, it's also about comfort. The handle boasts an ergonomic design that provides a secure grip, allowing you to cut for extended periods without discomfort. This is especially beneficial if you're working on larger projects that demand precision and efficiency. Now, you might be wondering how this compares to traditional scissors or other cutting tools. Unlike scissors, the rotary cutter allows for straight, smooth cuts across multiple layers of fabric with minimal effort. Plus, the rotary blade is made from durable steel, ensuring that it remains sharp and effective through many uses. Whether you're making a quilt, tackling a sewing project, or simply chopping up fabric for a DIY craft, the Fiskars rotary cutter's versatility shines. Its 45mm blade size strikes a perfect balance between managing larger materials and intricate cuts. It can handle everything from delicate fabrics to heavier materials like denim. Here, let me show you how effortlessly it cuts through a few different types of fabric. You can see how clean and precise the cuts are, making your sewing process so much easier. Another aspect worth mentioning is safety. Fiskars has equipped this cutter with a blade guard that can be retracted easily. This ensures that when you're not using the cutter, it's safely protected from accidental cuts. Which is particularly important if you have kids around or if you're storing it away after working. Now, let's not forget about maintenance. Keeping your rotary cutter in good working order is a breeze. Regular blade replacement and cleaning are all it takes to maintain its performance. Fiskars' easy-to-follow instructions make it accessible even for beginners, ensuring you won't feel overwhelmed by the upkeep. In conclusion, the Fiskars 45mm Quick Change Rotary Cutter is the perfect tool for anyone serious about sewing and fabric crafts. Its ergonomic design, quick change feature, and sharp stainless steel blade make it a top choice for both novice and experienced crafters. For anyone who values precision and efficiency in their sewing, this rotary cutter is undoubtedly the best option on the market. Thank you so much for tuning into this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insights on the best tools out there. Let us know in the comments what your favorite sewing tool is. Until next time, happy crafting!